I'm gonna figure out what these. I know this stuff, I think, goes on. Hey guys and gals, look what come in today. My new camera. The user's manual. It's got an external microphone, a little micro SD adapter. There's the microphone. Hopefully this one works. Last one we had, the last camera I got, the external mic didn't work, so hopefully that'll work. Hey, hello everybody, I have a microphone for Tony's new camera. And that must be, oh hey, it is the battery charger. Oh yeah, super duper one, okay. And I already got that. That is one of them handy dandy, old school, them old school ones. And extra battery. Awesome. And we got, remote control. Nice. And what else? We're just reaching in, pulling shit out. Stuff. Oh, hey, what's this? Alright. This is it's a dang it. I don't know what it is. It's a surprise. Oh hey, look at that. I'm live at 11. It's Tony and Leanne. Yeah, there we go. I know, I got one of them. I guess you need one of them. I know what that is. That's the it's a micless cord. You didn't get that, did you? It's a micless cord. And let's see what we look like. Hey, it's a lot like the other one. Yep, it's a lot like the other one. But this one's supposed to have more goodies in it. It's supposed to have a, that's where the battery goes on. Yeah, it's a lot like my old one. But hopefully the microphone will work on this one. It's almost identical to my other one. So that's the new camera, high definition. I'm gonna figure out what these. I know this stuff, I think, goes on. I don't know, we just make stuff up as we go along, I guess. Should we read the directions? Just figure it out. Oh, that's good. Huh. Anyway, we'll figure that out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Welcome back to our channel. I'm sorry I haven't put out a video in a couple days. I was down for the count adding to the poop pyramid in town. So thanks for watching. Support your troops, support your president. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Leanne's down in the weather today, so we were gonna do the giveaway video today, but we had to put that on hold for a couple of days. So, alright everybody, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll talk to you again soon. Alright guys and gals, we got it all together and we checked it all out. The rhino horn there works really good. I figured out that little shady thing. Got the cord, so I'm going to download this video right now while I'm waiting, and we're going to do a video with the new camera here in a little bit, and I'll probably download that later tonight or in the morning. So, alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys. Bye. Alright, hey guys and gals, just a quick tag on the end of this video. I want to give a shout out to the from T-Mobile. I was up there yakking with them. Our son's phone broke, and he's on our plan, so we went up to get him a new phone, and I had to be there because I'm dad. And anyway, I wanted to give a shout out because while we were up there, I picked up 2 subscribers. I was yakking with them, telling them about some of the crazy stuff I did. So anyway, God bless. Support your troops. Support your president. Leanne's feeling better, so we're going to do a video tonight. So God bless, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.